day one, week one, and game one of the 2016 spring split. Gonna be a mistake here by Afromu. There's the journey. Oh, he gets himself out.
Lissandro stunned. Lissandro stunned. Kill Lissandro. Nice. I can flash. I'm going into. Jump. Flashing. Triple jump. I stun him. Watch it.
And Counterlogic Gaming are gonna take the game over TSM. Ultimate Adrian with a huge play. Powelser goes down to Jensen, dives in melee range. He goes down himself. Turtle got 3 in the lane slinger, but he can't get the range. And Immortals, the first win of the 2016 spring split over Cloud9. We're still in place. Oh my God! See ya, Key-Ray.
We can fight now. We can.
We can.
Let's go. Enemy on the breast.
Eyeball.
NRG take down Dignitas.
Okay, hey guys.
Is everyone
I got
good?
some more sagely advice. It's a team game.
Peter, can you please not try and tell me before the game?
It's no time for meme.
Huni, are you nervous?
Big Ben's all set. Nothing to be nervous about.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, actually, I'm nervous.
Really?
Oh,
Are you scared?
scared. Nope. JK.
We can keep on slow chasing. Eyeball.
Nice. Go, Glissa.
Nice. They found Piglet. A shock wave catches him, and he's gone. Renegades takes down Piglet. Renegades 1-0. Even the dragon was secured. It looks like Elise managed to claim that one, and this is going to be what looks like potentially a slaughter. She's going to flash away. A lot of damage coming out from Keith. An Echo Box. And the day 1-0.